Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Valorant avatar decoration for free. Yes, it's for free then. Somebody complained to me that the repo decoration isn't for free. Obviously, you'll need the game, which isn't free, but you know Valorant is free, so let's go to the Discover section here, go to quests, and you'll see the claim a Who Gave Him a Gun avatar decoration. Play Valorant for 15 minutes with your Discord client open to unlock a Who Gave Him a Gun. So you'll need to enable your activity and you'll need to be online. So select accept quest. Let me just do that real quick. Where is activity privacy? Turn it on, and I'm just going to be online here. And then here I'm going to select accept quest. Select I am human, and I'm just going to log into my Valorant real quick, and let's select quest on desktop, and I'm just going to go and log into my Valorant, play it. You don't have to play it for 15 minutes. You can open just the app and open it for 15 minutes, but I'm gonna do that and I'll be back when I've opened it. Well, when I got it. Now that the quest has been completed, I can just select claim reward here. Select I am the human authorization. Then you can use now. I'm just going to select use now, and it's going to be applied to my avatar. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you don't have Nitro, it's only going to be available for 2 months, but if you have Nitro, you can keep the avatar decoration forever. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!